Yes. I think we need to decide. So, day 2, Heinz.
Yes.
What have we done so far?
Nothing. We've taken a whole lot of stuff out the right hand side of the car. Air filters and stuff. Air boxes and all the noise insulation we've taken out. And yeah.
Okay, we disconnected the fuel lines.
Yeah. We
There she is.
and a lot of all the cooling
A
stuff.
lot of the cooling stuff as well as the air. This is the fuel lines over here again. And then the spaghetti here. We started removing all of the heating and the coolant fluids. And all leads into that thing there. And as you can see, all the electricals are poking out.
And the tension bars and everything else.
And this is kind of the grand total of our work so far. Lots and lots of bits of stuff. Cool. Plan for today? Cool, so where are we up to so far? Well, we've loosened loads and loads of more hoses, and the next step for us is to loosen the engine mounts, which I'm a little bit nervous about because I'm like a bit premature, but anyways, turns out the wrenches we've got are a tiny bit loose, so when we actually try and loosen the engine mounts, they wiggle a little bit too much and we can't actually put a decent amount of torque on them. So just popped over to the auto store, picked up some pieces, and then I picked up something called a spline bit socket rail set, which I have no idea what that is. It looks pretty cool. I've got a few bolts that need this thing, so I decided to spend almighty 50 quid to get more socket bits, as well as this new spline socket rail bit set, which I'm kind of keen to have a look at. So let's have a look at how far Heinzie's gotten with the car while I was away for about half an hour. And yeah, let's have a squiz. Cheers guys. So we're going to come around the corner and we're going to see what he's been up to. Hopefully he won't be squished under the car. Oh my god, there's life. That's good. What's up, huh? How you doing? Check you out with all of your like tools out there, hey? If you got your tools out, or are you just happy to see me?
Just happy to see you.
So,
Good news. Got that bad boy off.
I have no idea what that is.
Remember?
Oh yeah?
The DSG
Oh wow, okay.
connector.
Is that through pure determination or
No,
just...
through my intuition.
Right, I got one of these. I don't know if it'll fit, who knows.
Very long. You went all the Telfords.
Yeah. And then I got you one of these.
Cool.
Alright. So,
Well,
lay me
this
on
one
some
we need.
love. So, Hansi, tell us about progress so far. What have we done?
Sweet FA.
So we disconnected the power steering.
Yes. Disconnected the DSG electronics.
We've disconnected the DSG electronics, the
So far.
DSG linkage over there. Where is it gone now? There.
Yes.
It
there's still some
smells
to do
like a WD-40 sauna in here, and all our hoses are pretty much let go, and some other hoses over here which is just absolute gobbledygook. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me see, man. Yeah, there we go. Oh, there we go. So, how would you rate your emotional state right now?
Confused because I can't find the reverse switch. It's a reverse light switch, which is apparently somewhere connected to the gearbox, but I can't know idea where it is. Yeah.
Sorry, can you see my hands actually shaking?
Yes, I can see it's shaking. Look at you.
That's because I'm so excited.
About what to get.
Anyways, updates to come. Cheers, guys. Okay, Heinzie,
Yes.
what have we achieved today?
We've loosened some bolts. We've loosened some more bolts. There's some bolts we didn't loosen.
I believe socket wrench number 13 has been sacrificed.
Yes, we it gave it to the gods.
And then your brother went and bought some new sockets, and it turns out there were 4 3/8-inch socket wrenches, and we don't have any
Nope.
3/8 socket inches.
So then you went
So-
away and you bought some more.
So I went away and bought a new breaker
Wrench.
bar and a wrench. How did it make you feel being alone for an hour by yourself?
It was quite nice actually. I felt in control.
So, day 2, done.
Day 2, yes. Not as much progress.
What are the
but
challenges we're facing?
getting access to the intake manifold. Or access to the bolts for the intake manifold.
So what do we have to do about that?
Remove that stupid tubular thing at the bottom.
Yeah, the strut bar thing,
Yes.
and then the radiator fans,
Yes.
and then the little valance piece in the front,
Maybe.
and then the bumper maybe,
Yeah.
and then the radiator.
Well, we'll see about the bumper.
Yeah.
I'd rather not. Anyway.
So, all in all, ladies and gents, it's been
A
emotional.
twist of events. To say the least.
More to come.
We thought we were working on the engine, now we're working on everything else.
Cheers.
Over and out.